Hey guys, Amy with mycouponingbuddy.com here. These Nature Valley wafer bars are on sale BOGO this week at $4.15. There is a 50-cent off printable coupon or a $1 off 2 coupon found in your Smart Source 1.5. That insert coupon was regional, so some areas got it and some didn't. Only good on the printable coupon is only good on the wafer bars, but the $1 off 2 insert coupon is good on any of the Nature Valley products. Looks like they've got some new fruit and nut ones which look yummy. Buy 2 of the wafer bars and pay $1.58 a piece after the printable coupon. Buy 2 of the Nature Valley products at $3.99. Use one of the 1-2 insert coupon and pay $2.99 a piece or $1.50 a box. Happy couponing. $2.99 for 2 or $1.50 a box. Happy couponing.